So sometimes it's necessary to do a clean boot of the CK3X scanner, and this is how we do it. First step is remove the battery. Inside the battery well, you'll see an R and a little indentation there, and we can use the stylus to press and hold that for 5 seconds. Now the next step goes pretty quickly. We will insert the battery, turn it over, press the power button, and hold the power button, and then press 1, 2, 1, 2. Release IO button. It says press the first button, second, first, second. Now it's clean booting. From this point, it could take up to 5 minutes or so before it completely updates the operating system and reinstalls the MSS software application. When you're done, the device should return to working normally.